Superbuy Tires and Wheels in Rio Grande Valley be your one-stop shop for all your tire and wheel needs. At Superbuy Tires and Wheels, we do it all from tire installation, balancing, alignments, TPMS sensors, and more. We even offer free nitrogen with the purchase of 4 tires. Commercial or industrial, we do it all. So why go for Superbuy Tires and Wheels? That's simple. We believe in old-fashioned values. We treat our customers with dignity and honesty. We carefully assess each vehicle and give a clear assessment of what exactly is wrong. Then we work with the client to offer the right product and service, always striving to offer the best, most affordable pricing. It's no wonder a large percentage of our clients come from both repeat customers and word-of-mouth advertising. For quality, dependable work that you can trust, give us a call today and speak with one of our friendly and knowledgeable associates. Call us at 956-687-1616 or 956-683-1515.